Let's make some Jello. Here we go.
How do you make this? Wait, this contains harmful ingredients?
Red 40, artificial flavors, and blue 1.
Which can cause cancer.
Lots of sugar.
We're gonna have wrinkles. We're gonna turn skin.
Which can cause tooth decay.
Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I'm Mohammed. And she is
Honey!
Welcome to our show.
Simple,
Delicious and
healthy.
where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
Let's get started! Please wash your hands. Ingredients are
2 cups of organic pineapple juice.
A 1/4 cup of organic maple syrup.
2 teaspoons of agar.
Mix very well in a pot, then place over high heat. After it boils for a minute or two, pour it into whatever pan or mold you like.
If you would like it thicker, add another teaspoon of agar. If you would like it sweeter, add more syrup.
Refrigerate for 30 minutes to an hour, or until firm. To add a little more fun to this Jello, we're going to add healthy vegetable and fruit colors. Also add whatever fruit you like on the bottom. The possibilities are endless.
You can buy the pure organic juice from stores, or you can juice at home.
All the steps and ingredients are the same. Just blend 1 cup of frozen fruits with 1 cup of water. This will be the same as 2 cups of store-bought juice.
We bought Lakewood organic pineapple juice. It only contains pineapples, no added water or unhealthy additives.
We made this recipe with both juices, and they both turned out amazing.
This week's shout out goes to... Thank you for your support. And now to the enlightenment board. We're substituting agar for gelatin because it's healthier and better.
There are no unhealthy sugars in this recipe. The sweetness comes from organic maple syrup.
The colors don't contain harmful dyes. We're using colors from vegetables and fruits.
Research proves that dyes in normal food coloring cause some pretty serious illnesses and cancer.
Eating too much gelatin can cause bloating and heartburn, among many other side effects.
Agar is derived from seaweed, therefore it's vegan and has a high water content, which makes it easier to digest. It's also low in sugar and fat.
Bismillah!
This is extremely easy, only needs 3 ingredients.
اللقة أي the best أنت my حياتي.
I love it.
Me too.
Want to eat?
لا شكرا.
So jiggly.
Aya, this is I'll eat it.
You want to try
There
it?
you go.
Yes. Okay. I love it. I love it. This one.
I can like eat 30 bowls of this.
I love it. This one and this one and this
This
one.
one's really good.
Mm.
Now whenever we want Jello,
We buy from the store. Oh.
we make it at home. Yeah. Help us make a difference in what kids eat by joining the SDH squad today. Subscribe, like, and share to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle, friends, and neighbors.
And hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads.
Tag STH on Instagram whenever you make any of our delicious recipes. And as always,
Simple, delicious, and healthy.
I put it and eat it in my feet.
Let's make some Jello. Here we go.
how do you make this? Wait, this contains harmful ingredients,
Artificial flavors, red 40.
which can lead to cancer.
Lots of sugar. Let's make some Jello. Here you go.
How do you make this? Wait, this contains harmful ingredients.
Oh. How about some Jello?
You did that again.
How about some Jello? Here you go.
How do you make this? Wait, this contains harmful ingredients,
Artificial flavors, red 40, blue 1.
which can cause cancer.
Lots of sugar.
We're gonna age. We're gonna have lines and wrinkles. Dude, that's my best acting.
How about some Jello? Let's make some sugar. This week's shout out goes to this